What's up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm not exactly sure how much time I have today. I've got something going on later. I'm not exactly sure if this is gonna fall through, so I'm not gonna say much. All I'm gonna say is that I don't have a lot of time. Basically, we're gonna pull off all the accessories off of this engine. I need to see what bolts go to the head so I can order the right Torx bit or socket. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I think it's a specific bit or a specific Torx socket. I'm not exactly sure. We're gonna be taking valve cover off, all the accessories, just leaving it bare block. I have a handful of hours, so I should get quite a bit done here, but I'm not gonna be on this all day. All right, boys, here's my progress so far. Turbo off, manifold. I think everything's off the head other than the EGR. Those coolant lines, vacuum lines, whatever they are, aren't connected to the head. I think the head is separate now. The only thing holding me back is really this timing chain and the head bolts. Other than that, I can pull the head. My friend Zach told me to order a socket specific for these head bolts, and I was like, I don't really need it. And yeah, I realized I do need it. They're special, it's a special socket, poly something they call it, for the heads on these, just Germans in general. I think Tristan used it for his N54 when he pulled that apart. It's not like a Torx, but it's not a Torx. I measured the 55 that I have, it's a little too big, and I measured the 50 that I have, it's too small. And either way, they're not long enough. I just shoved them in there to see if they'd fit, but they didn't, and so now I need that socket. But judging by just looking into the valves, I can't tell which one's bent, honestly. I'm not exactly sure how to check for bent valves just looking into them. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pull the head off to actually tell. Another way to test it would be to put water in the valves and see which one's seat, but it's not very smart to do that. It's not. I'm gonna get water inside my piston and my ring, and it's just gonna rust. But if I wanted to just test it, that'd be one way to do it. If I could pull the water out immediately, it would not be an issue. But again, not a good idea. I can't really do much from here forward. I gotta pull the head off. I could pull the head off now. If I would have ordered that socket that I was told to order months ago. I was told months ago. And I just never got around to pulling the valve cover, looking at these studs, the bolts, and seeing which socket it'd be. It's fine, live and learn. I will try to get a hold of a socket so we could probably pull this off today. If not, I guess I'll just update you guys on what's going on later. Yeah, let me see if I can get my hands on that socket. If not, we'll see where this vlog goes from here. Okay, boys, don't hate on me. It's freaking cold. It snowed last night and it's been cold all day, but I got my socket in for the head. I pulled off the head. I was not gonna do this today, but I was curious. I was like, I'm gonna pull off the head, just do that and see what is wrong. Okay, so first off, you can see the valves hit the pistons. I gotta measure and see if the pistons go all the way up. I heard that sometimes they bend when they hit the valves. So obviously one of our intakes and our exhaust valves, both our exhaust valves. I'm not exactly sure if that's gonna be a savable head. I'm gonna have to take this to the machine shop and see what they say, but I don't think that's gonna be savable. So I'll be asking around to see what exactly I can do with this. I might have to order a new head. I can just take everything off of this head and put it on the other one, which isn't going to be much. It's honestly going to be just the cams. This is gonna have to be replaced for sure, because this is more than likely what ruined the valves. This locked up somehow. And so I still got to pull this apart and see what's locked up, but it's in here that's locked up somewhere. But this got locked up, causing the cams to lock up, causing the crank to spin, causing, let's see here. Yeah, the teeth to shear on the belt as the crank was spinning. Obviously, the pistons were going up and down. As I was spinning, it slapped all the valves, and that is why that happened. But I got to figure out what I'm going to do next, so I'm going to end the video here, send some pictures out and see what some people suggest, and then I'll update you guys on what's going on. If you guys know any better and know if this head is savable, let me know down in the comment section below. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. We're already more than halfway into this engine, might as well probably put some money into it, so might be a fun build. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.